Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new AOD clocks and also show you how to apply custom image from gallery on your AOD on your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first disable your system AOD like this. Now download this app on your Galaxy device. This app download link available on description. Simply open, agree and continue, set some permissions. Tap on continue. Look at this guys, digital clock, analog clock, age light, emoji clock, picture clock, all categories available on this app. First, let me show you digital clock. Look at these many beautiful digital clocks also available on this app. Different type of clocks. Guys, this is premium clock, but you also apply these clocks on your device. Let me show you. If you want to apply this clock, then simply tap on apply. Tap on first option. Look at this AOD apply on my Galaxy device. Now let me show you customize options. If you want to customize this clock, then look at this, you also write text, add any text with AOD. Now you also set colors like this. And simply apply, and this clock active on your AOD. Now look at this analog clock. All beautiful analog clocks also available on this app. Age light, simply tap on enable. Look at this animation type. And you also apply this age light on one by one app. Look at this emoji clock. And calendar clock. Now in last, let me show you picture clock. You also set preset images, or if you want to set from image from gallery, then simply tap on select. Now tap on plus button and tap on add button. Okay, now let me show you guys. Simply go to image. Look at this, simply tap on edit button and go to filter and simply select black and white photo like this. Simply tap on save copy and first set this color wallpaper on home screen and lock screen. Simply adjust like this. Tap on done. Now go to AOD. Tap on picture clock and select image from gallery. Look at this. I select this image from gallery. Simply adjust like this. Simply tap on plus button and tap on apply. And look at this custom image apply on your AOD. Tap on setting and you also select single tap or double tap. Now if you go to customize, then you also set brightness. Simply increase brightness. And you also set stop AOD on your charging percentage. You also set AOD only on charge or discharge. So guys, you also apply this custom image on your AOD on your any Galaxy device, and this is absolutely free. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.